Hello viewers, in this tutorial I'll show how to solve Instagram comment gallery and photo option not showing problem. Let's see how to solve this problem. Tap on hold Instagram, click on app info or I button, tap on permission and scroll down, turn on photos and videos permission, click on force stop, tap on OK, tap on storage and cache, tap on clear storage, tap on delete. Go to Play Store, click on search bar and search Instagram. Update Instagram app if available Play Store or App Store. Go to Instagram. Now gallery and photos option showing. Thanks for watching. Don't forget like and subscribe.